Over the past 3 months, the Cosmos coin showed a simple formation of a rounding bottom pattern. Under the influence of this pattern, the coin price has rallied 67.8% since January 1 and marked a local top at $15.46. However, amid the recent correction phase in the crypto market, the atom price showed a minor pullback to $13 support. Furthermore, the coin price has to manage to rebound from this pattern, indicating the market sentiment is focusing on buying in dips. By the press time, the atom price trades at $14.1, but with the sustained buyer, it should surpass the $15.46 neckline resistance. This potential breakout could drive a significant bull run aiming for the $26 mark.